Hello friends, this is Amish and you are watching Siblings Doublings. So today I'm back with a new video of magnetic balls. So before starting to the tutorial part, first I'll give you a hint that what we'll make today. So the hint is we'll make a thing which we use every day and it depends upon season. So, the answer is clothes. Yes, today we are going to make a clothes which will be the upper and the lower. So, let's get started with our video part. And at the last, there would be a surprise in which we'll cut the whole clothes. Most exciting and enjoying part of this video will be that. So friends, now we have to separate all of the colored balls. So friends, now I have made the cube and I'll separate them to form a single color chain. So now I'll separate them using the card. Oh, they got something. This. By the way, there is no need to make cube. I am just making it to make the chain. So I'll correct them. So yeah. So now take one single strip. So if you want, you may choose the combination. For example, I'll choose this color with this. So now take 6 balls and make a circle, and in between apply one ball which would be the 7th ball. So it would be like this. Now roll it all the rest balls of the same color. Now roll any other combination on it and make one single line. So like this. So make one more like this. 6 balls and one ball in the center. Now we have to join this 5 5 1 together, and we have to leave this line and continue with this line. So join this, and remember I haven't joined this 2 lines which is in the center. So now after joining them, now join it the corners like this, and here the upper is ready. So it is. So now from here we have to remove the 2 ball so that it look that there is the arm space. Also I have removed a single ball. Same here. You may remove 2 or more balls or may not remove. So now the upper is ready. For making the lower part, again the method is little bit different but almost same. So I'll use this in the center. Take 6 this balls and make a circle, and in between, oh, the circle got wrong. Yeah. Now in between apply one ball which would be 7th and roll it And now with this another ball, roll it this and remove the remaining ones. Now make one more like this. So now the two figures are ready. Now join this 5 one side and leave this and join this one. So it is some bit same. Now what we have to change is we have to keep it like this, and with golden or any color take 4 balls and in between apply this as they may repel. Now the lower is ready. You may see it, and here is the top. So now let us join them. For joining, take this and join them like this. They are repelling here like this. So here our dress is ready. So now this is the most exciting part of this video. We'll cut this with the card. So let's get started. So let us cut it into the 2 parts. It may happen that it got broke in between. Wait. I am thinking from which side we should do. I'll do it from this side. Oh, wait a second. Have you seen how it's looking? By the way, it was like this. And it is like this. So yeah, this happens when you cut two clothes, upper and lower, exactly from the middle. So do try this at your home. So thanks for watching.